Today, we dive into the best lemonway integration workflow for seamless payment processing. lemonway offers a secure, scalable solution for marketplaces, crowdfunding platforms, and financial services. The integration begins by setting up your lemonway account and obtaining your API credentials. These credentials include your client ID, API key, and sandbox credentials, essential for testing transactions before going live. The workflow starts with environment configuration. Begin by connecting your backend to lemonway's sandbox environment. This ensures all test transactions are isolated from real funds. Implement proper API endpoints for wallet creation, payment initiation, and transaction verification. Each API call requires authentication, which lemonway handles through secure tokens. Make sure to store tokens safely and refresh them as per the API documentation to maintain uninterrupted access. Next, implement user wallet management. Each platform user should have an associated lemonway wallet. The workflow should automatically create wallets upon user registration. Include proper validation to prevent duplicate wallets and ensure KYC compliance where required. Wallet operations include deposits, transfers, and withdrawals. Each transaction should be logged, with status verified using lemonway's response codes to maintain accuracy and avoid errors. Payment processing is central to the integration. Initiate transactions by creating a payment request from the payer's wallet to the beneficiary. Validate amounts, currencies, and beneficiary information before executing. Use asynchronous callbacks to update transaction status in real time. Handle errors gracefully, implementing retry logic for network failures and failed payments. Finally, monitor and reconcile transactions. lemonway provides comprehensive reporting endpoints that allow you to reconcile payments, fees, and settlements efficiently. Automating reporting ensures transparency and reduces manual errors. Follow this workflow to achieve a secure, scalable, and fully compliant lemonway integration.